My name is Ashish Kabadgi. I'm from Hubli. I'm a recent MCA graduate from Kale Technological University. Since I was more passionate towards cloud, so one of my friends referred me for Networkers Home. So I had enrolled course over there, that is Cloud Masters, that comprises of AWS, Associate, and Networking and Security, and along with that Azure, along with Linux fundamentals. Coming to journey of Networkers Home is like the trainers were more supportive and they were teaching us from the ground, that is from basics and like fundamentals of like CCNA and Cloud Masters. That is Cloud Master comprises of AWS, Associate, and Networking and Security. And along with live projects, they were teaching us from the root. So it helped us to gain a practical experience along with theoretical in present situation. Since the present situation was more of recession, the market was more of layoffs. They made us job ready into the market, so that with the help of them it was easy to crack the interview. Coming to the placement, like I'm thrilled to announce that I have secured a position as a project engineer at Hashtag Technologies. That wouldn't be possible without help of Susan ma'am along with Networkers Home team. I would recommend all cloud aspirant and networking aspirant who are more passionate towards networking and cloud. I would like them to recommend Networkers Home, since it is the best in class coming to training along with the hands-on experience with the live technologies. So it would help us boom job in upcoming trends. A big thank you to Networkers Home team for unwavering support.